Welcome to our channel. This is In Demand Nail Studio presents Snow White Fall Nails. So today we are starting with a freshly soaked off client, and we're going to do an acrylic overlay on her natural nails. Now, as you can see, I'm priming her nails, and here I paused here so that you can see this ring finger who has a large crack in it, but it's okay, continue. We will definitely fix it with our acrylic. Currently, I'm prepping and priming the nails with my primer, this is dehydrator, and then I'm going to go in with my primer, as you see now. And we're going to prime those nails. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to our channel. Our client has chosen our color Fall Festival, also with Snow White and Perfect Pink, which we later decided not to use. So we're going to start with the ring finger that you see that has the hole in it, and we're going to start with our Snow White acrylic and a very dry bead, and we're going to work that into place. Now I'm working with a dry bead because I want to fill that hole and I don't want the acrylic to bubble through to the other end. Just working that product all the way down and filling that hole. I'm going to add another bead here just to strengthen the nail because I applied the acrylic pretty thinly so that I can make sure that we didn't have any seep through the hole. So here is just a strength bead and I'm blending it into place now. I really took my time with this nail because I wanted it to be a very sturdy nail. So here I'm applying white Snow White acrylic to all the rest of the nails that are going to have solid white acrylic, and then we're going to do some cutouts. So here I'm picking up a bead and using my brush just to carve the shape into it that I want. We're going to have kind of like a peekaboo color where we're going to use the glitter acrylic Fall Festival to go into that negative space. So I'm just carving out the place where I want the glitter acrylic to be and making sure that the lines are clean so that it falls right in the middle of that acrylic. Here I'm using my X-Acto blade just to make sure those lines are crisp and sharp. Moving to the next hand, we're going to do the same thing with our prep, and then we're going to start laying product. Now when I'm using a glitter acrylic, I do tend to use the solid color first so that the glitter acrylic does not get into my solid color. So I will apply acrylic to all of the nails that are not going to have the glitter acrylic on it, and then go back and add my glitter acrylic. So here we're going to go ahead and lay in our glitter acrylic. It doesn't take a lot with BB acrylics. A little goes a very long way. They're very pigmented and very heavily glittered. So we're just going to stick that in there just a little below the lines of the white acrylic. Sharpening that line up a little bit and laying in my Fall Festival glitter acrylic. in the negative spaces. And now what I'm doing is just going over those specific nails to make sure none of that Fall Festival has invaded my Snow White, because where I want it to be white, I want it to be white. So I'm going to add a very thin coat of crystal clear over these nails because I don't want to file on the Fall Festival, which is our glitter acrylic. We're going to start filing and shaping here. Okay, I don't know why the video repeated itself, but anyway, here we are filing and shaping our nails, and we're just going over those. That clear really acts as a barrier between the glitter acrylic and the electric file. So just filing and shaping as normal. Here I'm going to give her some scrub to wash her hands. This is BB's Melon Ball scrub and a brush, so she can wash and scrub her hands really good for me. And we're back. We're going to buff these nails so that once we apply our top coat, it is very smooth and not at all rigid. Now once I buff the nails, I also go back with some pure alcohol or acetone to wipe off those nails as well. And I'm using today my favorite Gel Bottle Ink Extreme Shine Top Coat. I love this product. It is amazing. And oh my goodness, to see the shine of that glitter come through is beautiful. So we're going to top coat all 10 nails and give you guys a reveal shot here in just a moment. And I'm going to give her some of BB Acrylics cuticle oil. It is called Pineapple Nectar, and it is my absolute favorite. My clients love it. So we're going to rehydrate her cuticles. As you can see, they were dry from me wiping them off with the pure alcohol, the 99% isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to go ahead and rehydrate her hands and her cuticle area and massage that in just a little bit before we give you guys this awesome reveal shot. So in between, what I'm doing is sticking her hands in my LED light for 2 minutes to cure that top coat. And out comes the left hand. So we're going to rehydrate that hand as well. Now, BB Acrylics will be out the first of the year, so you guys look out for that. And if you would like, make sure you like, share, and subscribe our videos, and find us on Facebook at the letter N Demand Nail Studio, where we go live. So just rehydrating and massaging a bit.